Bob thought muscle growth worked like this: work out, go home, wake up looking like Thor. Unfortunately, Bob woke up looking exactly like Bob. So where does muscle actually come from? And why does building it seem so much slower than everyone on social media claims? Bob wanted bigger arms. Nothing crazy. He wasn't trying to become Mr. Olympia. He just wanted sleeves that didn't flap in the wind. So naturally, Bob went online. Another mistake. Within minutes, he discovered the ultimate mass program, the hyper-anabolic growth protocol, the 7-day arm explosion system, and something called tactical muscle optimization, which sounds less like a workout and more like a military operation. So Bob tried everything. He changed workouts every week, sometimes every 3 days. He chased muscle confusion, then shock training, then German volume training, then supersets, then giant sets, then mega giant ultra supersets. At one point, Bob had a workout plan that required 3 stopwatches, a calculator, and what appeared to be a physics degree. Despite all that effort, his arms still looked suspiciously similar. Eventually, Bob noticed something. The biggest people in the gym weren't doing magic exercises. Most of them weren't even doing anything interesting. They showed up, lifted, added a little weight, added a few reps, then repeated it again and again and again. That seemed way too simple, which made Bob suspicious. Then Bob learned something important. Your muscles don't care if an exercise is trendy. They don't care if it has a cool name. Your muscles respond to challenge. If you curl 20 pounds today and 30 pounds later, that's progress. If you can do 10 push-ups today and 20 later, that's progress. The body only asks one question. Are we doing more than before? If the answer is yes, adaptation happens. This principle has a fancy name: progressive overload, which sounds complicated, but really means do a little more over time. A little more weight, a few more reps, a little more effort. Nothing dramatic, just gradual improvement. That's how muscle is built. Not in one workout, not in 1 month, and definitely not from a supplement named Anabolic Gorilla Thunder. So Bob stopped changing everything. He picked a few basic exercises, tracked his progress, stayed patient. Week after week, the numbers improved. Then something interesting happened. The mirror started changing too. His shoulders looked bigger, his arms looked bigger, his confidence looked bigger. And for once, the results actually matched the effort. If there's one thing I want you to remember from this video, it's this: muscle growth isn't complicated, it's repetitive. Most people spend their time searching for the perfect workout. The people who succeed spend their time improving the workouts they're already doing. Stop chasing novelty, start chasing progress. Lift, improve, repeat. Because muscle isn't built through magic, it's built through consistency. Welcome to FitSketch, where fitness is made simple, and simple works. Don't forget to like and subscribe.